You know the essential 67. Here are 51 more irregular verbs. Let's play. Same all three. No change verbs. Bet, bet, bet. I bet 1 coin every game. I bet 1 coin yesterday. I have bet a coin again. Burst, burst, burst. My balloons burst every time. My balloon burst yesterday. My balloon has burst again. Fit, fit, fit. These shoes fit me well. They fit me last year too. They have fit me for years. Quit, quit, quit. I quit sweets every January. I quit sweets last year. I have quit sweets for good. Spit, spit, spit. I spit out the seeds. I spit one out yesterday. I have spit them all out. Split, split, split. I split my cookie in 2. I split my cookie yesterday. I have split it in 2 again. Spread, spread, spread. I spread jam on my bread. I spread jam on it yesterday. I have spread jam on it already. Upset, upset, upset. Loud noises upset me. The noise upset me yesterday. It has upset me all week. Vowel change only. Vowel change verbs. Dig, dug, dug. I dig in the garden every day. I dug a big hole yesterday. I have dug 3 holes today. Feed, fed, fed. I feed my dog every morning. I fed my dog this morning. I have fed him already. Bleed, bled, bled. My cuts bleed a little. My finger bled yesterday. It has bled all morning. Lead, led, led. I lead the line every day. I led the line yesterday. I have led it all week. Light, lit, lit. I light the campfire every night. I lit it last night. I have lit it already. Hang, hung, hung. I hang my coat on the hook. I hung it there yesterday. I have hung it there already. Shine, shone, shone. I shine my torch in the dark. I shone it around yesterday. I have shone it all night. Shoot, shot, shot. I shoot the ball at the hoop. I shot it yesterday. I have shot 10 baskets today. Slide, slid, slid. I slide down the slide. I slid down it yesterday. I have slid down it 10 times. Spin, spun, spun. I spin my top every day. I spun it this morning. I have spun it many times. Stick, stuck, stuck. I stick stars on my chart. I stuck one on yesterday. I have stuck 5 on today. Sting, stung, stung. Bees sting me every summer. A bee stung me yesterday. It has stung me twice. Swing, swung, swung. I swing in the park every day. I swung on it yesterday. I have swung on it all morning. Ends in T, T-ending verbs. Bend, bent, bent. I bend the ruler easily. I bent it too far yesterday. I have bent it many times. Deal, dealt, dealt. I deal the cards every game. I dealt them last night. I have dealt them already. Lend, lent, lent. I lend my pencil to a friend. I lent it to him yesterday. I have lent it to him again. Sweep, swept, swept. I sweep the floor every day. I swept it this morning. I have swept it already. Fight, fought, fought. My brothers fight over toys. They fought over a bear yesterday. They have fought all morning. The IAU pattern. You already know sing, sang, sung. Here are 5 more. Ring, rang, rung. I ring the doorbell every day. I rang it yesterday. I have rung it twice. Sink, sank, sunk. Heavy things sink in water. My toy boat sank yesterday. It has sunk to the bottom. Spring, sprang, sprung. I spring up out of bed. I sprang up this morning. I have sprung up early all week. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. My shirts shrink in the wash. My shirt shrank yesterday. It has shrunk to half its size. Stink, stank, stunk. Old socks stink after a week. The bin stank yesterday. It has stunk all week. EN endings. Participle verbs. Bite, bit, bitten. I bite my apple at lunch. I bit it this morning. I have bitten it already. Blow, blew, blown. I blow out the candle. I blew it out yesterday. I have blown it out already. Draw, drew, drawn. I draw a picture every day. I drew a picture yesterday. I have drawn 3 pictures. Hide, hid, hidden. I hide in the big box. I hid in it yesterday. I have hidden in it before. Awake, awoke, awoken. I awake at 6 every day. I awoke early yesterday. I have awoken early all week. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. I forgive my friend every time. I forgave him yesterday. I have forgiven him already. Freeze, froze, frozen. Puddles freeze in winter. The water froze last night. It has frozen again. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. I mistake him for his brother. I mistook him yesterday. I have mistaken him before. Prove, proved, proven. I prove it with my notes. I proved it yesterday. I have proven it already. rise, rose, risen. I watch the sun rise every day. The sun rose at 6. The sun has risen already. Shake, shook, shaken. I shake the bottle before I drink. I shook it this morning. I have shaken it already. Steal, stole, stolen. I steal a cookie sometimes. I stole one yesterday. I have stolen 2 today. Swear, swore, sworn. I swear to tell the truth. I swore it yesterday. I have sworn it before. Swell, swelled, swollen. My ankles swell after a run. My ankle swelled yesterday. It has swollen up today. Tear, tore, torn. I tear the paper in half. I tore it yesterday. I have torn it already. Beat, beat, beaten. I beat the drum every day. I beat it yesterday too. I have beaten it all morning. The tricky 4. Irregular oddities. Lie, lay, lain. I lie on the grass every day. I lay on the grass yesterday. I have lain there for hours. Lay, laid, laid. I lay the blanket on the grass. I laid it down yesterday. I have laid it there already. Dive, dove, dived. I dive into the pool. I dove in yesterday. I have dived in many times. Overcome, overcame, overcome. I overcome my fears slowly. I overcame my fear yesterday. I have overcome it at last. Great job! Haven't seen part 1? It has the 67 essential irregular verbs. Subscribe for more and visit esldesk.com for games, quizzes, and stories. See you next time.